357 snubnose pellet gun. This thing's a beast. One of the most powerful ones I've shot. Okay, here's the thing, look. Now you can take these out, right? Now we're gonna put in 6 more. These are the BBs. 95 bucks at Fleet Farm, people. I got 27 air pistols. I have the 357 Vigilante, the Crossman. Check it out. Mind you, this is a BB gun, people. Up to 500 FPS with pellets, up to 410 with BBs. By far, the best realistic. Here's the CO2. People, no other revolver in the market. Is that real? Spin it. 357 Crossman snub nose. 95 bucks at Fleet Farm.